What's up YouTube? I just finished installing a few new components on my computer setup and also removing all the gunk that was stuck in my piping. Redid all the piping. So I installed the new Aurora Aigo C5 fan with a bunch of modes. I'll show that later. I also did the new water flow meter, all new piping. I put in clear water this time. I'm tired of putting fancy water. Next thing you know, it gunk up my system, and then I have to clean it up. It's a lot of work. It took me a whole day to redid this. So yeah, I mean, I love the new fan kit. This thing it's like best bang for your buck. So here I'm gonna run through a few of the fan modes that you'll see in this this fan kit. So here's the tubing that I took out of my old setup. It's gunked up by the old premature view fluid, which, you know what, I don't think it's worth the money. It looks cool and everything, but you know what, there's too many requirements to upkeep your for the fluid to run properly. So yeah, it messed up my flow meter too. So I mean, I'm just gonna throw it away. Just a waste. And then this is my CPU and GPU's temperature. GPU is at 28 degrees, CPU is 25. Under load, I believe it goes up to 35 GPU to 40.